Welcome back, beautiful. This is our day 5 of the Decode Your Sexual Desire Challenge, our last day together. And look at you, you made it. Do you know how rare that is? Most women never give themselves a single week like this. And you did it. Let's look at how far you've come. In 5 days, you have decoded your desire. On day 1, you found your brakes, what's been switching you off. On day 2, your accelerators and your sexual desire blueprint, which is hugely important, what genuinely turns you on now after 40. On day 3, you understood that your desire is responsive, it's not broken. And on day 4, you started to find the words to speak, to share with your partner. And today we had the last piece, the conversation. How to actually share what you've discovered with your partner. So it brings you closer instead of starting a fight. And there are 3 things that make all the difference. First is the timing. Please do not have this conversation in bed, in the moment where you're both undressed and raw and hoping. It's way too vulnerable. That's the hardest possible place to be honest. Have it with your clothes on, over a cup of tea, on a walk, side by side, where you don't even have to hold eye contact. Desire conversations go so much better outside the bedroom. Second, how you open it, Don't lead with the problem. Lead with the warmth and with your open heart. Something like, I've been doing something for myself this week, learning about my own desire, and it got me a bit excited. Can I share something with you? Then he doesn't have to brace himself and wait for an attack. You've just turned it into an invitation, right? Not an ambush. He's curious now, not bracing for a complaint. And third, go slow. And offer one thing, not 10 years of notes, right? One, not what we did yesterday, just one. I've realized I come so alive when we slow right down. I love more of that. And then you stop and you let him respond. One honest sentence can change the whole temperature of the marriage. And be gentle with him and yourself. He is not the enemy. He is a man who loves you and who has been guessing in the dark with no map for a very long time. When I talk to men, their hearts are so broken when they can't make you happy. And when you finally tell him gently what lights you up, you're not criticizing him. You're giving him the thing he's wanted all along, a way to reach you, to make you happy. So look at what you have done. 5 days ago, desire was confusing, painfully blank. Now you know your brakes, your accelerators, your blueprint. How your desire actually works and how to ask for what you really want. That is more than most women learn in a lifetime. So your assignment for today, and it's the one that carries all of this forward. What is your next step? How will you bring what you've decoded this week into your love life? Into your days from here. Not a grand plan, just the next honest step. Are you actually able to talk to your partner and write it down? Or do you still need to work on what opens you up and on your accelerators? And in the group, I invite you to reflect. What was the most surprising thing that you found about yourself this week? Share it, and let's celebrate every woman who showed up for herself these 5 days. You did something brave this week. You turned towards your own desire instead of away from it. And your body has been waiting a long time for this. So keep going, keep listening to your body, keep choosing yourself. And these 5 days were the opening, They were about you coming home to yourself, to your body, to your own desire. And that's on its own, it just changes everything. But there's a bigger journey ahead. It's the journey of becoming a sexually empowered, radiant woman who is fully alive in your own skin. She's confident and she feels connected in your relationship. So decoding your desire is where it begins. And I'll be sharing the next step with you very soon. So please keep an eye, on your inbox. And remember that it's never too late. It never was too late. And I will offer a masterclass in a couple of days. So please stay tuned. And if you have any questions, please do ask me. Email me. How was this challenge for you? Ask your questions on our Facebook group. If it feels too much, ask me privately. And I will respond to everyone. Because this work just so delights me. It really warms my heart up. Because when I start seeing couples loving each other deeply, it's just such a beautiful moment. And I know that our sexuality is so important to keep us happy, to keep us connected. Because we can be friends with anyone, right? But that relationship that we have with our partners is so special. And sexuality is what brings that special spark to the relationship. So I do hope that you're going to take the next step with us and do the masterclass, and please ask any questions. And I also do hope that you use this knowledge. You don't just have it in your journal. You actually ask your partner for what you want. You find the right time. You find the right words. And with a warm big hug, I'll see you soon. Tarisha.